Hey guys, how's it going? Cass here from Passive Passion Online Income, and I know it's been a long time since I have been, posting videos and giving you regular updates, and that's mainly because I have been completely immersed and occupied with my several other businesses. As you as you guys must be aware, because it's not just my online business that takes my time. I've also got several other brick and mortar businesses, my other offline businesses that occupies my time. But it was important that I make this video and give you guys an update with pertaining to Income Academy in particular, mainly because being so busy and occupied with a lot of other different activities and businesses, I just felt that it was high time that I appoint a head coach, for the academy, so that all the requirements and needs of the students are taken care of. Now, that doesn't mean I'm not going to be in charge anymore. I still would be having coaching calls with the students, which would be mainly for the keywords, because the students will not be publishing books unless and until I do not approve the keywords, because that's the key, and that's what is going to basically determine your success, in the publishing business. There are several other factors too, your AMS ads, the book launch strategy, and quite a lot of important steps that needs to be followed. But I will still be giving you my time, wherein you will be having coaching calls with me. That would be like probably one or two coaching calls. One would be in the beginning, and one would be right after you complete the course. All the other sessions would be handled by the new head coach, which I'll be announcing. Without rambling further, or without wasting your time, the new head coach of Kindle Income Academy is going to be Zapata. All right, he's originally known as Rolando Zapata, all right, aka Zapata, all right. He has been my student for many years now, and he has been one of the most successful students, especially from the country Philippines, all right. And there was a time when he was helping me out as an interim coach when I was setting up the academy. But now, since he has retired and he's enjoying his retired life back home in Philippines, running his several other businesses and his other investments, it was high time that I'd appointed him as a head coach, because he's someone that has been a fantastic example for not just getting things done in terms of business, but also someone who's very good at coaching people. So I felt it's high time that I appoint him. I had this thought in my mind for quite some time now, but then after a few phone calls with him, we made this decision that it's high time that I appoint him. Because with me currently being occupied with a lot of other business, especially the done for you service business, which I have for my high net worth clients, clients who actually want me to do basically each and every task for their respective businesses. So I have my employees, I have my managers, who have to look after these businesses. So I'm mostly occupied with that, and apart from that, also with my other offline businesses, as I said earlier. So having said that, it was important that Kindle Income Academy students also have someone that they can reach out to on a regular basis, and someone that can always look into the needs and demands when it comes to the business of publishing. So that's the important update and announcement, guys. So Rolando Zapata is going to be the head coach of Kindle Income Academy. All right, so congratulations, Rolando, and you deserve it. And moving forward, if there are any new coaches that are going to be appointed within the academy, I will be updating you guys. And hopefully, wherever you guys are watching this from, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, all right. Thanks for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me all these years. And I promise to keep adding value in whichever way possible. All right. So that's it from me for now. All right. You guys take care. God bless. Stay safe. And lots of love. Bye.